guys, welcome to another unboxing. This is the Easars spotter, pardon. This is the mouse that was supposed to be in my possession from the last week, but unfortunately the courier he couldn't get in time to make the delivery, so I got it today after a week of delay, and this is what is this is how the box looks like. It's not something fancy because the price that I paid for it is the 60 euros. Pardon, 40 euros, pardon. I do apologize for that. This is something cheap. You cannot have a bigger expectation, just like the keyboard I'm using right here. This is the VOR. If you take a look in my videos, you'll see that this keyboard is present in my latest video. Right now, I just removed the bench and anyway, I'm going to explain more what I've done the last couple of days. This is the box itself, and if you flip around the back, we're going to focus right here. Anyway, so it says right here that the lifetime for this mouse is it has 5 million clicks, and it also has the onboard memory, the 64 kilobyte to individual settings at any time. You also have the control key for the 7 programmable control key, support for custom functions. It also has the 4000 dpi. The transmission gear can be customized, providing up to 4000 dpi resolution. We do have the gaming optical engine using the high performance chipset of gaming optical engine. I hope it has this kind of feature. And the customizable light system, you can also set the colors for your mouse. The light effect and the light breathing light settings are available. Of course, you can customize this. You're supposed to have software for that. We do have the technical specs that, of course, is not laser mouse, is optical. We do have the refresh rate 6600 frames per second, which I don't know, I'm not sure if it's true or not. We do have the speed and the height, the highest, the 4000 CPI. The processing 5.8 megapixel per second. The acceleration more than 20G. Dimensions here is very important. This feature 128 by 74 by 14 millimeter, and the total weight, it has 160 gram. Plus minus 50 grams. Of course, it has the adjustable coins weights that is inside the mouse. You can also remove it, or depending on what you can use. I mean, according to your preferences, and yeah, this is quite about it. Okay, let's make the unboxing and see what's inside. I do have my trusty cutter right here. Let's hope that I will succeed using my only one hand. Okay. In my room right now it's very cold, and that's why I'm having my jacket on, my coat on me. I'm dressed up very well. Okay. Okay. This is the driver. This is the manual, and of course it has a mini disc inside. Yes, I believe it's here, right here in the middle. And let's see the whole package and see what we have inside. It's supposed to come off easily, but since I cannot use my both hands, it's very difficult for me to do that. Okay, guys, this is the cable. By the way, this is gold plated USB. If you look closer, you see that is plated in gold. We don't know for sure if this is gold or not, but this is not important. This is the cable. Okay, and we're going to reroute the cable through this hole so we can remove the entire package. I apologize for the flickering and for the noise that I'm making, but that's how it is. Okay, this is the plastic cover, and this is the mouse itself. Oh. This rubber is supposed to be in this area, I believe. Yeah. You can expect something good, because since it was only 40 euros, of course, it's not going to... The mouse is not heavy. I also read a couple of the reviews from the guys that was making the reviews from it, and most of them, they were just complaining about the weight and how big this mouse is, but yeah, this is the sensor, and right here there is the weight cartridge. Let's see, I can use my one hand to remove this. Okay, great, I got it. So this is the coins that I was telling you about. You can also remove one by one, and you can adjust the your mouse weight according to this coin. How to remove it, yeah. So this was my unboxing. Okay, as you can see, if you want to remove it, just come right off, and they're also golden plated, some of them. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching, and see you in the part 2 of the video, and I'll be doing these settings and using the program that is provided in the box. Yeah. Thank you for watching once again. Bye.